Hey everybody, Kathryn Gomes here. I'm the author of Apologia Math, and in this video I want to give you some ideas and an overview of the Unit 6 skills practice for Level 3. So we are circling back now and we are going to finish out our multiplication facts. Keep in mind that your child already learned their 2s, 5s, 10s, 3s, and 4s. So what's left? 6, 7s, 8s, and 9s. Now, just to encourage you and your child, I would show them this. There is a list of the facts that they have left to learn, and it is not that large because of the commutative property. So we have some square numbers, 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9, and a few others like 6 times 8. So there's not a lot left. And if you remember, I showed this in another video, this is all that really is left on the times table for what they haven't learned. All right, so what are some ways to practice? Well, you can really mimic what you did before with the smaller facts, or you can spice it up if your child's getting a little tired of those and do something different. As always, we have flashcards. You can play flashcard war, or you can flip through these. One idea is sometimes I do something with my kids where I'll be like, you have to get 10 right before you're done. And what I might do when we get to this is if it's one of the sort of like the special facts, like 8 times 8, one of the facts we're trying to learn this unit, I'll give them 2 points or something like that, just to help them like keep an eye out. I always tell my students 7 times 8 is the hardest multiplication fact. People always forget it. And so then if anyone ever gets that right, I'm like, you are smarter than most people. 7 times 8's tricky for some reason. I don't know why. All right, so there's flashcards. Of course, you know we're gonna bring back the fact mazes. Always check the Book Extras website because there's a lot of great stuff on there and you don't wanna be kicking yourself later. Isn't this so cute? My designer has fun and she's got, I think, a chicken and a worm. I was cracking up when I saw this. So you got to shade in the six facts, right? Okay, and you know, sometimes you just want something straightforward. So we have multiplication worksheets, but they're totally focused on this last group of facts. So that's fun. And then there's a really cute one. I love this one. I was excited about this one. What do I call it? Multiplication spider web. So let me kind of explain this if you haven't seen this before. So 5 times is what you're going to multiply by. And then the next circle is what you multiply it by. So for instance, it's 5 times 3, you would write in 15. 5 times 7, 35. So it's going to look like this. You see that? It's kind of fun, and they get to see some patterns, and it keeps the fact families together. So, I don't know, something different. I was excited about it. Let me know if your kids like it. Songs. You knew I was going to bring up songs again, all right? So if you were doing songs before, I would stick with those songs. They're great. They stay in your memory forever. So you want to get a song for 6s, a song for 7s, a song for 8s, and a song for 9s. And then again, we have Battleship. So at this point, I would play Battleship with the whole board. I would play with it blank if you can, and you can utilize that misfire. So if someone says, you know, 7 times 8 is 54, the other person says misfire, and that's it. You don't get that hit, okay? So that can be very helpful. Also, be sure to show them those tricks with the 9s. There's the finger trick to help you remember the 9s. There's writing the list down. Those were all in the lesson, so that's just fun, right? And it makes those 9s easier. Good luck with this skills practice.